Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 15. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang private chat feature sa Barangay Chat Management module ng BIMS App. Ang private chat ay ginagamit para magkaroon ng one-on-one communication between two users. Unlike the public chat room, ang private messages ay visible only to the sender and the approved recipient. Mahalagang tandaan na ang private chat sa BES ay may consent flow. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng basta-basta pumasok ang isang user sa private chat ng ibang user. The recipient must accept the request first before the private chat session starts. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Chat Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Chat screen, makikita ang Logged In User section. Dito makikita kung sino ang currently online or connected sa chat system. Para magsimula ng private chat, piliin ang user na gusto mong kausapin. You may click or right-click the user icon or name, depending on the available menu behavior. Kapag lumabas ang menu, piliin ang Start Private Chat. After clicking Start Private Chat, a private chat request will be sent to the selected user. Habang naghihintay, makikita ang message na nagsasabi na the system is waiting for the selected user to accept the private chat request. This is an important part of the security and privacy design. The private chat will not start until the recipient accepts the request. On the recipient side, the user may receive a notification asking whether to accept or reject the private chat request. If the recipient rejects the request, no private chat connection is established. If the recipient accepts the request, the chat room switches to a private channel. Sa screen, makikita ang label such as Private Chat with Elias or the name of the selected user. Once the private chat session is active, messages are sent only between the two users. Hindi ito makikita sa public chat room. During private chat, the user may send text messages and depending on enabled features may also send emojis, images, or audio recordings. The message input box and send button work similarly to the public chat. Type the message, then click send or press enter. Private chat messages are also stored for history and tracking according to the system design. Kapag tapos na ang private conversation, the user may click Return to Public Chat. This allows the user to go back to the main public chat room. Mahalagang tandaan na private chat should be used responsibly. It is intended for direct assistance, private concerns, or sensitive communication with barangay officials or specific individuals. Users should respect privacy and consent. Do not misuse private chat for inappropriate communication. Sa screen, makikita rin na some users may have moderation actions available such as kick, ban, or silence. These are separate moderation tools and should only be used by authorized moderators when necessary. Sa right side or help context, makikita ang guide explaining what private chat does, how to start a private chat, the consent flow, what happens during private chat, how to exit private chat, security and control, important notes, tip and system impact. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Chat Management. Go to Logged In Users, select a user, choose Start Private Chat, wait for the recipient to accept, then send private messages after approval. Sa next how-to tutorial, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano mag-send ng emojis, images, and audio messages inside the chat system. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to use private chat with consent. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal https://epfcompositesa.com tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.